Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I'm Jethro from China. So today this place called Dinghushan Mountain. So now we are taking bus to the Butterfly Valley. Why we take bus? Because last Saturday we did a very hard job, very sweaty journey to the mountain. So now we have to take bus. It's a much better choice. Okay, where's Brock? Brock, come out.
So you met Jethro. He tried to do the intro. How did he do? Like he said, we're basically at another mountain. We have taken a cart up to the top of the mountain. Here you said something about a butterfly thing?
Yeah, Butterfly Valley.
Butterfly Valley? What else is there to do?
A lot of, I don't
just
know
butterflies.
Yeah.
Today we're just going to hang out with butterflies. Well, we made it to our first official destination. Basically, there's different levels of the mountain, and there's different activities, different places to go. Apparently, we skipped the first butterfly stop on accident. Yeah. So now we are here, which translates as the Tripod bus station. And we don't really know what's here, but we just decided to get out to experience it. So there's kind of like a turtle dragon fountain and street stalls. Mind you, it is not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet, so it's still quite early. Are you ordering a second breakfast?
No, just drink. Do you want to have some ice cream?
After we're hot and sweaty?
Yeah, of course, no problem. Not now.
Souvenir shop, maybe?
A lot of butterfly.
Oh yeah, these are actually real. They were alive.
A real butterfly. The body is not real, but the wings are real.
So what is this giant thing? The 9-dragon ding vessel of this city, Zhaoqing.
Zhaoqing.
How do you say it?
Zhaoqing.
Zhaoqing. Okay, I was way off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zhaoqing.
But it's a dragon ding vessel. What is it used for?
Just for the prey or something.
So it's not like a giant bowl of soup or anything?
Yeah.
Very big bowl of soup. Yeah? So when you look inside that big bowl, what are the red things?
Red thing is somewhere is thrown into this. Red is the lucky color in China.
Those were the lucky things that people threw in there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So all of those people climbed up there and threw them in?
Yeah. Just throw into the thing.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. So they always sell those little red ribbons.
Yeah.
You write some special message on it to make a wish. Like, I hope I get a good grade, or I hope I pass the exam, or I hope something. Yeah. And then, oh my God, so everybody threw those inside?
Yes.
Wow, that's crazy.
Only 5 minutes to work strictly, we can go to the Butterfly Valley. So I just totally confused about this place. I think the people write something wrong.
Yeah, so the weather is not too bad. Basically, it's very cloudy and quite cool. Not cool, but I mean, it's really hot, but there's no sun, which is nice. The weather forecast showed rain and thunderstorms for the next 7 days in this area.
I even thought I wanted to cancel our travel.
Yeah, so basically we thought, well, sometimes the weather is wrong.
Yeah.
And worst case scenario, we just find things inside buildings to do. When we were in the taxi coming here, we asked the man, what is there to do if it rains all weekend? And he says, nothing, watch TV.
No, hang out in the supermarket.
Hang out in the supermarket. Like, yeah, that's an activity that we want to do.
Yeah, good advice.
Photographer.
前面就往边上靠。2、3，谁滑？
These are some seriously small seats that they give us. I feel like we're in kindergarten again. So we learned 2 things. A, you must wear a life jacket for a 35-second ride. And B, basically these super small seats that I can barely even sit on, they said that, oh, she's talking. It's for 2 people, not 1. And it started to rain. Awesome. So we arrived on the island and we are entering a butterfly sanctuary, maybe, I'm not sure. A butterfly, what are they? We're entering Butterfly Valley. But luckily we have like a screen roof, so it's blocking a little bit of the rain.
Butterfly? Yeah.
Where? Here. Oh yeah, right in front. This one's cool. It's shaped like a leaf. Basically, he says that we don't see very many butterflies because of the rain, the weather. They're all like hiding and trying to get out of the rain or something, but normally they're everywhere. So we're going to follow a trail which takes about 30 minutes, it says, yeah?
Yes. Kind of forest exploration.
Yeah, and it keeps raining and stopping, so at least it's stopping, but it is kind of frustrating.
But I do trust because before the webcast said it's a raining day, and I think maybe have a very storm rain like that, but Brock is here, so he used magic to stop the rain, but his power is weak and strong,
So there's writing on a bamboo stalk.
It says someone and with his girlfriend travel here, and then the date.
That's it. I traveled here with my girlfriend, date. It's equivalent to what we would say, like Brock was here, or something like that.
Yeah.
Interesting. I thought maybe it was going to be like a love story or something. But
The water has been beautiful until we get to the waterfall, and then it turns a bit rough.
So it's kind of neat. We're walking along the river. It's really loud, and you have to be careful with all these rocks so you don't break your leg. We're going to have a seat for a while. Maybe we'll join these men and have some tea.
Pretty chilly.
It has officially started to thunder. We just heard a big lightning strike very near, so yikes. So we're just walking and we seen a sign that said you still have 25 more minutes remaining. We started with 30 minutes on a sign. It says it's a 30-minute hike, but now there's 25 minutes remaining. And we've literally been almost walking for an hour already. So at this rate, we'll be out of here by midnight.
Words can't describe how beautiful this is right now. We were just talking, it feels like we're in the Amazon looking over this valley. So basically, the end point comes to here. We come over here, and this is where we started in the morning, ironically. I had no idea we would come out here. This is where we were looking at ice cream earlier, and that's the shop that we were in with the spiders and stuff.
As we were coming down the steps, I even said, he says, "Are you hungry?" I said, "Yes, but it's going to be another 40 minutes before we get back there because we have to go back on the boat and then walk all the way back here, and it's a long time." But nope, this was the exit point. So we just finished up lunch. Now we are waiting for a cart to take us that way. We're going to go to one last place, and it's like a temple area.
So I think we found the rooftop of the temple. Now we just have to go down.
So we made it to the temple behind me. Looks like there's an area where you can light incense sticks and, I don't know, pray or make a wish or something. But what are these things over here?
You can write down something because and this is pray for lucky or for fortune. Some 3 words. Pray, lucky, pavilion.
Pray, lucky, pavilion.
Yeah. So look.
So what do you do with these things?
Look at this. This is one person. She was a prayer, and she had good health.
So these are prayers.
Yeah.
People make wishes with these wooden blocks.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
They got 5
and then
inside of it.
Oh, so you buy them, you write your message on a piece of wood, and then you tie it here forever. We kind of made our way down here. There's like different rooms in each one. Do you like pray to a specific type of God or what?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
Okay, so you go into one room and make a wish or pray for one type of God, and then this room you would do a different type of prayer?
Maybe you pray for all the gods, but sometimes a special thing for special gods.
Okay, interesting.
I mean, so we always describe this kind of temple. We said 千年古刹. That means 1,000 years older temple. So, I mean, that is kind of this situation. It's a very old temple. It's not a new one. And with a very tall tree with a lot of moss on it. And it's very peaceful here. So that means it's very peaceful and unique and full of magic things. I mean sometimes it reminded me. It reminded me like to how to describe this kind of place. And here is one 7 Buddha, the same Buddha, but they use a different gestures on his. Yeah, it means different meaning. Sometimes this is for
different
like
hand gestures. For what purpose?
Yeah, but it's because every gesture means some magic things. I mean, this is for your luck, and this is for to protect you or something. I don't know, but.
So the sign up there said that these are pots that used to feed people. Like people would cook in here, the fire's down here, and then you would cook and feed a lot of people. But they're big, and then we came over here and look at this one. This one's like massive.
So we've been walking around this temple area for a while, and it's just this massive building that just keeps going down another floor, down another floor, down another floor. I don't know how many floors we've went down, but on each level it's just massive.
The normal order is from there.
Yeah, we're doing it backwards. But it's cool.
This.
What is it called in English?
Forget.
I don't know. I would call it a mural. Mural, maybe. But it's like a 3D mural. Dragons are everywhere in China. Like there's a thing with dragons. Dragon's a king. Emperor, or what? Means power. So this is the first time I've ever seen marble. I've only seen marble floors. That's it. I've never seen the original product, the raw product before it is made. And apparently this is what marble looks like in the raw form. So we made it down to the bottom level, flew the drone a bit, and surprisingly the weather cleared up. We see like blue skies and it's beautiful and it's kind of hot. So we hung out there at the bottom. Now we have like a 20-minute hike to get back to the top. We have to go up all these stairs. Oh, we're going a different way.
Yeah.
We're going down. This is the way to go?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, so we just keep going down.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have to go up and around
No,
and
I
down.
don't
Oh,
want
this is
that way.
okay. Change plans. I guess we're just going downhill, which is so much easier. The woman, she gave us better directions. There was when I was finished flying the drone and downloading some footage, a maintenance woman came up to me and tried to speak to me. Obviously I couldn't respond because I was using my phone to download and use the drone, so I couldn't communicate to her. I started showing her footage and she was so shocked, so interested in the footage that I've gathered from around here. And then Jethro came over, they started to talk, and basically she was kind enough to give us the fastest directions out of here, because I think we probably would have went up the stairs, around, and then down probably. Yeah. That's what I would have did.
And also she wanted to invite Brock to her home, visit her home.
Yeah.
You know,
come to her house. That's cool.
If I came here alone, know this kind of things.
Nobody would come up to you?
Never.
No one would say, oh my gosh, Jethro, the man who works in Hong Kong, would you like to come over for dinner tonight? She would never do that?
Never happened. But
so
you live, he's from America.
I guess.
Brock. Oh my God! Oh my God!
I kind of stick out here. I don't blend in very well. We're on our way out. We're going down the hill, and we're soon going to the hotel for the first time. Yeah, it's a beautiful view. I think this is a really, really lucky tree. Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Lucky.
Wow.
Qing Dynasty.
It's really cool. There are so many people who are just hanging out in the river, enjoying the afternoon, swimming, eating some snacks. Pretty cool.
Awesome. So that's it. We found the official cart to take us all the way back down. What was your favorite part about today?
The raining. I mean, the butterfly.
The raining? The raining was your favorite part? That was definitely my least favorite part. Butterflies was your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. But we only seen like 5 butterflies.
Yeah.
But that was still your favorite part.
I mean, it's the valley. Like the valley, not the butterflies.
So first it was the rain, then it was the butterflies, now it's the valley.
Yeah. Butterfly Valley.
Okay, Butterfly Valley. It's like a location.
Yeah.
Okay, now I get it. Okay, yeah. I would say the epic views for me, flying around and looking at the most amazing views ever through the drone. When you fly in the air and you look and you can see the image, it's really cool. Even without flying, just walking through some of the paths in the upper mountain, it was really cool. It literally felt like we were in the Amazon. So, yeah. Anyway, I'd say that was my favorite part. Oh, he's lost. Come join me.
I carried this job for all day.
He did. This is true. It's true. It's really hard to carry this bag, that bag, and talk at the same time with a camera, so he took it. But he always says that he is my pocket. We're going to go to the hotel for the first time. It is what time? What time is it?
4 o'clock.
It is 4 o'clock. That's it. 4 o'clock p.m. Going to the hotel. We're going to sign off. So that's pretty much it. Anything else you want to add?
The time is running out. Start living.
Very good. Yeah, I wasn't ready for that yet, but I guess we're doing it. Yeah, I think that's it. Goodbye.